Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. We are back out on the XXX getting our practice in. We're here at the beautiful Waterworks, Philadelphia here, right on the Schuylkill. Got the art museum, we got the city, so we're gonna get some practice in. We really want to work on our throttle one-handers, so let's get right into it. Well guys, it actually turns out my buddy Ra is supposedly up at the art museum. I didn't think he was gonna come out in this cold weather, but we're gonna go ride with him, I guess. Wheelie up in the grass. Someone dropped their hat. Hat down. This doesn't look right, dude. You out in this cold weather?
Feels good right now.
No, it's not too bad. All right, we met up with the fellas. Ra, Dad, what the f are you eating there, dude?
What?
What is that?
You don't know that shit, bro? That's duck juice.
Duck juice.
Tofu, bro.
Tofu. I can't say it looks the most appetizing.
It's bomb, bro.
All right, we heading out now. Let's go live real quick. Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, at Connor G Media. Stop, it's already on. Woo! We're getting live wheelies in. Woo! We got the beautiful city here. A lot of love from Liverpool. Thanks, bro. Thanks, mate. Selfie wheelie. I can try. I can flip you guys around. All right, and the live is over. This man's on FaceTime. Yeah, we're riding west today, apparently. I'm just following everybody. You know, kind of riding some new neighborhoods. I always ride in the same areas, so. Dude, I've never been here. I don't even know where the hell we're at.
Yeah, boy.
I always love it when we're under these bridges. It's pretty cool. It's a nice smooth road though. I swear to God, guys, once we get to Tampa, it's gonna be so much nicer. Like, I'm gonna feel a lot better. I think everything's gonna be a lot smoother because we're just not freezing our damn ass off. I need to drop back more though for these one-handers. Apparently there's a trail down here. All right, let's see what this is all about. It's slick in here. It actually doesn't say no bikes. That's pretty funny.
Found the trails.
Yay! Ooh, it's looking wet. Oh, baby, it's wet. Oh my gosh. It is so muddy back here. It's a cool little bridge over here that I just found though. You can tell there's, you know, obviously still snow here. Just because it's still so damn cold. Oh, this is like an actual paved trail here. Not bad. This would be cool if it wasn't so cold and muddy. That just fell. What's up, pup? Oh, I got a freaking branch in the front of my shit. Look at this. Oh, this poor bike. So muddy. Look at Ra doing some wheelies up there. Dad has just been on his phone filming and commentating this whole ride. He should start a YouTube channel. Why does this hill just like calling my name? It looks so steep. Let's go. Easy. Yup. Oh. Down. Stolen bike. Jeez, that thing is loud. Yeah, it is cool to venture into some other parts of the city. Like, I literally just ride in the main areas, so it's cool.
We're gonna catch all the lights all the way down.
All right. Dad was right. It is kind of crazy. We're catching every single green light going down.
Yeah, whoa.
I scare ya. All right, now we're back to the river trail here. Ooh-wee, this trail is full today. The regen is really odd. I don't know that I like it. Well, this video is supposed to be me working on my throttle one-handers. Hasn't been much of that. All right, we need a quick little charge. We're getting back on the bike. All right, after our little charge, we're back outside. This looks a little more important than the PPA. All right, we had to abandon the rest of the group because they can't keep up. So sorry, homies, but it is what it is. Sidewalks got us going a little quicker. Get some swerves. Ah! Woo-wee, and just like that, we are all the way down in South Philly. We got the squad. Oh, these roads are so nice. Oh, they're so smooth. That's how cold it is, guys. Oh, look at all this ice and snow. This is crazy. I didn't realize how freaking big this was. Look at this. This is huge, this place. All right, guys. I think that's gonna do it for today's video.